Hey guys, this is Omar with another unboxing video for Amcrest, and today we're looking at our newest 5 megapixel AI turret cameras, the IP5M-T1277EW-AI. This affordable Ultra HD camera features stunning 5 megapixel resolution featuring dual illumination with IR LED, night vision, and full night color. It has an ultra wide viewing angle of 129 degrees, advanced human, vehicle, face, and intrusion detection, a wide dynamic range of up to 120 decibels, perimeter protection allowing you to create a virtual fence and trigger events when motion is detected. It comes equipped with a heavy-duty IP67 weatherproof housing that protects against dust and hurricane levels of wind and rain. This Ultra HD indoor and outdoor camera features a built-in microphone with flexible storage options, including NVR, cloud, or SD card up to 256 gigabytes. Turret cameras are great for their flexibility in choosing what you want it to focus on from wherever you install it. The most common places our customers tend to install these are in their front porch, watching their driveway and cars, on their street, or in the backyard, keeping an eye out for intruders. By far, the easiest way to view your amazing 5 megapixel footage would be by using the Amcrest View Pro app. So let's go ahead and quickly set up this camera and add it to our network. I've plugged in the camera to an Ethernet cord and it's going to give it internet and power. After downloading the Amcrest View Pro app, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I'm going to hit Add Device, hit POE camera, because remember it is a POE camera. Hit P2P connection and scan the QR code, which is right here on the cord of the camera. And give my device a name. I'm going to go ahead and name it Backyard. Hit Done. And obviously the default username and password is always admin. Once you hit start live view, it's going to give you the option. Well, you're going to have to change the password. So we're going to go ahead and do Amcrest 4. And we're going to confirm it with Amcrest 4. Hit OK. And just like that, we have live view. So if you have any questions about this model, or if you have this camera and you're having problems, please feel free to leave a comment below. We're more than happy to help you guys out. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as we will be releasing more videos like this in the near future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.